How to fix can't change username on Twitter. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can fix can't change username problem on Twitter. For that, open your Twitter application on your mobile device and go to your profile section to change your name. Once you reach to this page, make sure you are logged into your account. Click on this profile icon at the top left to access some menu. From there, scroll down and expand settings and support. There you will find settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy, and from here click on your account. You will reach to this page where you will find various options. Again, click on this account information sector, and then here you will find your username. Click on username, clear it and write a different one. It says that your username must be 15 characters or less. Also, it should contain only letters, numbers, underscores and no spaces. If the username you type on this box has been already taken, then you will not be able to change it. So for that, you'll have to choose a different username that must be unique, because the system prevents duplicate usernames from being registered. So you'll have to type a different and unique username for your Twitter account. After typing the username, if you found the green tick mark at the right side of your username like here, then you will be able to change your username now. So after that, click on this done button here, and then your username will be successfully updated. So in this way, you can fix can't change username on Twitter. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.